Hello, my name is Shanza and today I will show you how to adjust the space between words in Microsoft Word without affecting the letter spacing. So, a word of caution, it might seem tempting to add extra spaces between words by pressing space bar multiple times, like here you can see it in my first text and first paragraph like this, by adding extra multiple spaces. By doing this, you can simply mess with the formatting of your entire document. So I strongly disagree to do this. So instead we will adjust the spacing between words properly using Word's built-in build-it tools. So this tutorial works for Word 365, Word 2019, Word 2016, Word 2013 version. Yes, of course, we will cover the Mac version in a separate tutorial. So let's start the step-by-step instructions. First of all, just go to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of screen. Here you can see it, Home tab. Moving to words, the first is clipboard, second is font, and third one is paragraph. I will click show formatting marks, optional. It is good idea to click the show or hide button. Here it is a show or hide button in the paragraph group to see your document's formatting symbols. Like this. Here you can see it. It appears on your entire document like this. Now just select the text, highlight the part of the text where you want to adjust the word spacing. Like I am going to highlight this one, this much. If you want to apply this to the entire document, simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select your entire document. Now moving toward next step, check your font size, and the default space between your words depend upon your font size. You can check your font size and font style on the font style or size menu. Now open the find and replace dialog box. But how? Let's move toward the editing group. In the editing group, click on replace to open the find and replace dialog box. Here it is open. Set up your search. Here in the first box, it is in the find word field. Press the space once like this. In the replace with field, also press the space bar once like this. Now expand the dialog box, but if the dialog box is already expanded, like it is already expanded, just click on the format button and select font. Here a new dialog box will be open, which is replace font dialog box. Just open it and select a larger or smaller font size for the spaces. Like I have already selected 26. You can adjust it by doing changes like this. Then simply click on OK, and after doing this, simply select replace all. The dialog box will ask you if you want to apply the changes to the whole document. Click yes or no, depending upon whether you want to apply it to the whole document or just the selected section. So I want to apply it only to the selected section, so I am selecting it no. After doing this, close the dialog box by clicking on close button. Here you can see after the changes are made, click close like this. Now here you can see the changes. If you enable the show hide button like this, you can now click it again to hide the formatting symbol like this. Now you can see your document like this, and check the space which is looking too professional. So always remember to save your document to keep your changes. Like I am pressing Ctrl S on my keyboard to save my changes. By doing so, you can create, you can bring, you can perform or adjust the spaces between words in Microsoft Word quickly and very simply in a professional manner without messing with your document. So if you like it, do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. Thank you.